Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Have you eaten turmeric rice before? Have you used turmeric to make your food before, or you are just used to using curry powder to cook all the time? Okay, if that is the case, kindly stay tuned and see how I use turmeric to make this rice. Okay, so guys, the first thing I'm going to do now is to season this chicken. We are using soft chicken for this turmeric rice recipe. All right, so I'll go ahead and season it accordingly. I'm not going to boil it at all because it's soft chicken. Okay, I'll go ahead now and add salt. Then I'll also be adding some seasoning cube and thyme. I'm not using curry powder for this recipe, it is turmeric rice, so I'm going to stick to using turmeric for this recipe. Okay, so I'll just mix that together. Make sure you turn it together so that everything will blend accordingly. So I just added cinnamon powder for extra flavor. Cinnamon powder add extra flavor to your food. All right, so I'm going in with turmeric powder. It's turmeric rice, so right now I'm adding chicken seasoning. Okay, then I'll also go ahead and give this a good mix it together. I'm mixing it because my gas is on and I don't want it to get burnt. Okay, so guys, I'll go ahead and add some mixed pepper. This is a blend of tomato, pepper, onions, ginger and garlic and all of that. So I'll give that a good mix also. Okay, so right now I'll add some onions to this. I'll add some onions for flavor. Then I will just cover this to steam for some minutes. Yes, cover it to steam for some minutes, guys. So guys, this is it. Look at this. It's steaming very well. So at this junction, I will mix this together and remove it from this pot. Okay, I'm still going to be using this same pot for the turmeric rice, so I'll go ahead and remove this chicken from it, then continue cooking. Okay, to make this turmeric rice proper, I added some oil to the pot. Then I'm going in with some sliced onion, so I'll give that a mix. I'll mix this together. Then I'll go in with salt. So right now I'll add turmeric powder. You can see the amount of turmeric powder that I'm adding to this rice. Okay, to make this rice very colorful, so I will add turmeric powder, then give it a good mix again. Okay, so guys, I'll go in with some mixed pepper. Okay, like I said, it's a blend of tomato, pepper, onions, ginger and garlic. Okay, so I'll mix that together. Then I'll go in with some thyme, some cinnamon powder, chicken seasoning, then I'll add some seasoning cube. Okay, so guys, I will just go in with the remaining cinnamon powder. Okay, and give this a good mix it together properly, then allow it to steam for some time, just like this. Okay, so right now I will go in with the rice, the washed rice. The rice is properly cleaned, so I will just mix that together. Ensure to mix it together properly. Can you see the color of the rice is changing because it is turmeric rice, and this rice came out so delicious. All right, so to my returning subscribers, my viewers, I say a big thank you. Thank you guys for always stopping by to watch my video. I'm grateful for your love, for everything. Thank you so much. And if today is your first time of coming across my video, I welcome you to Benninice kitchen. Kindly go through my channel and see if you will see other recipes that you will love and be a part of my community. Okay, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Turn up your notification bell so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so guys, right now the rice is cooking very well, so I just tasted it to see if there's any way I can make any adjustment. Guys, it was just perfect. Can you see the color? So right now I'm going in with my veggies. The first one is peas, okay, green peas. So I'll go ahead and add that. Just give the rice a little mix, just like this. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do that. Subscribe, like my video, comment, in fact share my videos to your family and friends. Okay, so guys, I have some vegetables here: carrots, spring onions and green pepper. Okay, that is what I'm using, and I've added peas already. So I'll go ahead and add everything together and give it a good mix. Okay, have you eaten turmeric rice before? Have you solely used only turmeric to make your food without adding extra curry powder? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, will you be trying this also? Let me know in the comment section, and I would like to know where you are watching me from. Okay, so that I can send you some special hug. Okay, so guys, let me know where you are watching me from. Don't watch this video and just walk away. No, please like, comment and share. And if you have stayed till this time, I say a big thank you. All right, so I will just cover that to steam for some seconds, okay, before giving it a final mix. This rice came out so delicious. Like, my family, they love this turmeric rice. Okay, I would like you to give it a try. Okay, so guys, I'll go ahead and add the chicken and give it a final mix. I'll mix this together thoroughly. Okay, this rice came out so delicious. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you will be trying out this recipe. Okay, and if you have another way that you make your turmeric rice, you can also leave it in the comment section so that we can all learn from it. Okay, thank you so much for staying till this time. This rice is so delicious. Look at this now, just take a good look. It came out so nice. So if you are still here and you have not liked, comment, share my video, or you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, okay, because it will help my channel to grow. And I want to say a special thank you for as many that have stayed tuned with me in this channel, for the growth of this channel. You guys are amazing. I love you guys so much. You are the reason why I keep uploading videos every time. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye for now.